camera. It's the blue-gray gnatcatcher. It's been out here every morning. Today, ladies and gentlemen, it is day 6. Day 6 in Florida. Not sure what we're gonna do today. We might take a chill day, kind of stay closer to the resort. Yesterday we had a long drive back from Key Largo. Oh, there's a catbird. Hear that funny fish crow. Then I came upon a cute bunny eating a blade of grass. Look at that little mouth. Munchy, munchy, munchy. The next creature I saw was a raccoon. Not sure exactly what it's looking for down there, but it looks very busy. Probably looking for breakfast. I walked down to the other pond, and there was the little triangle nose of a turtle sticking up out of the water. And a little squirrel on the boardwalk. I went out on the dock looking for ducks or cormorants. There was nothing too special that morning, and I didn't get any great videos or photos. A lovely morning to be outside. I love all these beautiful green trees. It just looks so tropical to my eyes. Then I had more work to do on a college assignment. It's kind of annoying to have to do it on vacation, but I didn't have an overwhelming amount of work. Nicole's awake now. I'm gonna go back and catch up with her. Yay!
Okay. Let's see.
Oh, that was one.
Okay, you want to go?
There's a mini golf course at the resort, so we had fun playing with it.
Come on. There we go.
Whee! Oh my. We haven't played in years, so obviously we didn't have much skill. I was no better. Oh no! We had a lot of fun though, and that's the main point. Cheers. To finish off our relaxing day, we had some delicious ice cream at Ginther's Swirls Ice Cream. Then back to the resort for a restful night. Hello from Florida. It is day 7. Today we are meeting up with Gail for lunch and then gonna pack up and get ready to head out early tomorrow morning. Right now I'm taking a walk at the Tibet Butler Preserve. Nicole opted to stay in and rest a bit. It's so beautiful and green here right now. It's about 68 degrees. Lovely. I'm hoping to see some birds, and we'll see what I see. I paused to watch a catbird in the tree and to admire these beautiful green ferns. It was really a lovely morning. Ooh, up the tree it goes.
Squirrel's angrily shaking its tail at me.
There's a blue jay up there. It's gonna be a little hard to go back to Durango. Dominic tells me it's been pretty cold there. Now I've gotten used to this balmy, glorious, summery weather. To go back to early spring is gonna be a little painful. But it'll be good to see Dominic again and see the bunnies again. See my beautiful Rocky Mountains again. This sure has been a great trip. I've had so much fun. Look forward to coming back in 2 years and doing it again. Happily, there aren't too many bugs out yet. So it's really quite pleasant.
I quickly finished up my walk so we could go meet Gail.
I'm not sure if it's, I know, I can't give you a good definition of a ripcord, but when you get caught in it, you can't get out of it. And anyway, oh, okay. I remember you telling us about your trip to Honduras. That's a good one. Yeah, I mean, it's nothing like it's scary. That's not a good word. It was a little unnerving. It was a little unnerving. Let's put it that way. But it was fun, though. It was fun. Oh my gosh. So many fish.
Last night here. Tomorrow morning early, we are packing up and leaving. It's been a super fun week. I do feel ready to go home and see Dominic and the bunnies again, but it's been so fun and it is hard to leave. Especially this glorious summery weather and all the water. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful place.
I came across the resident brown thrasher again. It was eating bugs out of the grass. And the nighthawks were out. It was late enough in the evening. And there was a killdeer in this picture. See if you can see it.
There are 2 killdeer out there, I thought so. I thought there were 2. I was right. He was scuttling in the field.
I'll be honest, I had to watch this video clip a couple times over to find the second killdeer. The one in the front is fairly obvious, but the one in the back is harder to find. And there was a pair of mourning doves poking around in the sandy road. I think the nighthawks are really cool. Goodbye, pond. Goodbye, palm trees. Goodbye, Florida bunnies. That was a very cute duck family, and I watched it for a while. Then I moved on and found a cute squirrel eating a nut in a tree. I spotted one more Florida bunny in the grass before I headed in. There's Nicole going to check out. Last day, last morning. It is 3 a.m. and we are heading to the airport. 3 a.m. way too early. But that's the way it goes. There's always one of us who has an early flight. And the other one of us has to go sit at the airport and wait.
I'm the one with the later flight this time, so I dropped off the rental car and waiting for the shuttle. Here are my little bunnies. I didn't get the initial greeting. I was too busy fluffing their noses and telling them how wonderful they are. Now they're playing a little bit. Even when you boys, hi bunny. Hey. Hello.